Hi friends, welcome back to a new episode of Employment News for BE Tech Mechanical Engineers 29 November 2021. In this video, you can watch job opportunities in government sector, private sector and opportunities in apprenticeship training. Every Monday we will upload new employment opportunity for mechanical engineers, and this week in this video we have included 5 government jobs, 7 private jobs and 3 apprenticeship training. Most of the opportunities are for freshers, so please watch the video till the end. In this, first one is government jobs. In government job, first one is Assistant Manager Mechanical at Mecon Limited, Jharkhand. Mecon, a premier Mini-Ratna Schedule A Government of India enterprise under Ministry of Steel, providing engineering, consultancy, contracting and project management services. Mecon Limited, formerly known as Metallurgical and Engineering Consultants India Limited, and it began in 1959 as the Central Engineering and Designing Bureau of the Hindustan Steel Limited, the first public sector steel company. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. It's a fresher type job, no experience required for this job. Number of posts are 17 in total. Pay and allowances are 20,600 to 46,500 at grade E1 plus IDA plus HRA plus other allowances. Fresher mechanical engineers with minimum 65% of marks can apply against the postcode 5 and postcode 6. Upper age limit is 30 years for E1 grade. Application fees are 1000 for general OBC EWS candidates and no fee for SC, ST, PWD, ex-servicemen categories. Selection procedure. Candidates initially shortlisted based on the percentage of marks obtained. Then shortlisted candidates should go through a personal interview. The mode of final selection shall be personal interview. How to apply? Detailed advertisement can be seen at the website as shown on screen. Eligible candidates are requested to apply online through the website as shown on screen on or before 25th December 2021. I will provide all website IDs and links in my description also. If you are interested to apply for this post, you can visit our video's description and from there you can find out these links. Next one is Senior Executive at ONGC Petro Additions Limited, OPAL. ONGC Petro Additions Limited is a multi-billion joint venture company and it is promoted by Oil and Natural Gas Corporation and co-promoted by GAIL and GSPC. OPAL has set up a grassroots mega petrochemical complex at Dahej, Gujarat. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Mechanical engineers can apply for the post of Senior Executive Marketing for various locations. Qualification is BE or BTech Mechanical Engineering with 60% of marks. Experience required for the post is 3 years. Pay and allowances are CTC 7.50 to 10.5 lakhs per annum. Application fee is nil. Selection procedure on the basis of personal interview after shortlisting on the basis of qualification and experience. How to apply? Detailed advertisement can be seen at the website as shown on screen. Interested candidates are to register and fill application on the website as shown on screen on or before 12th December 2021. I will provide all website IDs and links in my description also. Next is some last date of jobs already informed in previous videos. Junior Research Fellow at DRDO Naval Material Research Laboratory, Thane's walk-in interview date is 29 November 2021. Executive Hydro Mechanical at National Thermal Power Corporation NTPC Uttarakhand's last date is 30th November 2021. Project Officer Mechanical at Cochin Shipyards Limited's last date is 4th December 2021. I will provide last video's link in my description. That's all for government jobs. Next is private jobs. In private job, first one is Mechanical Design Engineer Internship at GE Power, Chennai. GE Gas Power is a world leader in gas power technology, services and solutions. Through relentless innovation and continuous collaboration with our customers, we engineer cleaner and more accessible energy that people depend on, powering growth and prosperity everywhere. The GE company operates in more than 100 countries. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 2022 batch or 2023 batch students. Job posting date is 25th November 2021. Job ID is R3609260. Job description summary. Internship will work in the field of product design or requisition engineering of drives products mechanical under the mentorship of technical experts in the field. The individual will work on functional depending on their prior coursework and degree. Roles and responsibilities: master's or bachelor's degree in mechanical or CAD design engineering, proficiency in MS Office application, good knowledge in CAD tools, detailed engineering and validation of design, NPI localization and development of drive products mechanical, provide documentation support in the assigned project, etc. Role is mechanical design engineer internship. Categories: GE Power. How to apply? Industry candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. I will provide all website IDs and links in my description also. If you are interested to apply this job, you can visit our video's description, and from there you can find out this link, and by clicking this link you will redirect to the direct website of GE and you can apply from there itself. Next is design engineer at ZF Group, Hyderabad. ZF Group is a German car parts maker. ZF has 241 production locations in 41 countries with approximately 148,000 employees. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or early career. Job ID is 26181. Roles and responsibilities: create assemblies, drawings and CREO models as per customer requirement with manufacturing feasibility and tool supported data, ability to check change request and perform feasibility studies, change management of CAD parts in Intralink or Windchill PLM system, able to perform packaging study along with the understanding of BOM. Required qualification: good product data management knowledge and good written and oral English language. Overview of PLM process is appreciated and general computer skills, etc. Role is design engineer CREO. Categories: automobile industry. Function area is production, manufacturing, maintenance. How to apply? Industry candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. Next is graduate engineer trainee at JBM Group, New Delhi. JBM Group is a diversified conglomerate with a presence in automotive, education and engineering services in India. The group pioneered in the revolutionization the industry with the state-of-art technology in the field of automotive engineering and design, and today has 33 manufacturing plants, 5 engineering and design centers across 19 locations worldwide with a turnover of US dollars 1.2 billion. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 2021 pass out students only. Salary offered at 2,50,000 per annum. Job description: job responsibility may include any or multiple of the following: production, sourcing, quality or maintenance. Role is graduate engineer trainee. Function area is automobile. Employment type is full-time permanent. How to apply? Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. Next is mechanical engineer at Cost Global, Bangalore. Cost Global, formerly Quality Engineering and Software Technologies, is a product engineering company in the aero engines, aerospace and defense, high-tech and industrial, medical devices, oil and gas, power and transportation verticals. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 1 year experience. Job ID is 31210BR. Roles and responsibilities: applies and interprets engineering calculation and knowledge in design and development tasks in the field of oil and gas or relevant. Component and system level design, understanding of key design parameters and ability to articulate design changes as needed. CAD modeling, drawing, reading skills, BOM and drawing creation of complex bodies. RTA process knowledge and PDM or PLM knowledge will be an added advantage. Role is mechanical engineer. Function area is product engineering. Employment type is full-time permanent. How to apply? Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. Next is application engineer trainee at Alstom, Bangalore. Alstom SA is a French multinational rolling stock manufacturer operating worldwide in rail transport markets, active in the fields of passenger transportation, signaling, and locomotives. Alstom Transports operates in 70 countries and employs 26,000 people. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 2 year of experience. Requisition ID is 194761. Roles and responsibilities: to generate or verify the system database based on application design data table and CRS. Always maintain OTD with desired quality with minimum or zero defect. Conduct quality review for each SYDB delivery. To contribute as a team player in the SYDB team. Qualification required is BE or BTech in electrical or ENC or mechanical or CS. Required experience or skill: minimum 0 to 2 year experience in rail signaling domain or fresher. Should have graduate degree. Should have clear understanding of control systems, etc. Role is application engineering trainee. Function areas rail and trains. Employment type is full-time permanent. How to apply? Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. Fresher mechanical engineering can also apply for the post as shown on screen. I will provide all website IDs and links in my description also. Next is mechanical engineering trainee piping at Haldor Topos India Private Limited. Haldor Topos is a Danish company founded in 1940 and it specializes in carbon reduction technologies. The company has approximately 2,200 employees. Focus areas include hard to abate sectors such as heavy industries, steel and iron, chemical, cement, long haul transportation, aviation, shipping, trucking, and clean fuels, biodiesel and ultra low sulfur diesels, etc. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 2 year of experience. Salary of FEDA 2 lakh to 6 lakh 50,000 per annum. Roles and responsibilities: design and develop automated 3D design templates using 3D CAD tools. Perform basic mechanical strength calculation. Prepare prototype 3D printout of Topos proprietary hardware for demonstration during client meetings and sales meetings and seminars. Interaction with technical experts by being part of review meetings, etc. Skills required: curious, open-minded with an innovative mindset, high level of theoretical insight of thermodynamics, strength of material and fluid mechanics, and ability to apply knowledge to practical matters. Certification in piping engineering will be preferred. Role is mechanical engineering trainee. Functional area is oil and gas. Employment type is full-time permanent. How to apply? Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen, or can apply by sending your updated resume to the mail ID as shown on screen. Next is Associate Engineer at Whirlpool Corporation, Pune. The Whirlpool Corporation is an American multinational manufacturer and marketer of home appliances. Whirlpool of India Limited is one of the leading manufacturers and marketers of major home appliances in the country, and the company owns 3 manufacturing facilities at Faridabad, Pondicherry and Pune. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 year of experience. Role summary: the position is responsible for developing or reviewing CAD models, assemblies, drawing for mechanical or electrical or components and subsystems, utilizes corporate CAD design system to produce relatively complex models, assemblies and detailed drawing layouts that are dimensionally accurate, establish component tolerance in accordance with the manufacturing capabilities, etc. Requirements: BE or BTech in mechanical engineering, CREO provision, CREO mechanism basic, sheet metal provision in design for manufacturing, provision in GD&T, basic design calculations, etc. Role is Associate Engineer. Functional area is home appliance making. How to apply? Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. I will provide all website IDs and links in my description also. That's all for the private jobs. Next is apprenticeship training. In apprenticeship training, first one is graduate apprentice at Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited. HPCL is a Maharatna Central Public Sector Enterprise Oil and Gas Company. HPCL Marketing Division proposes to engage graduate apprentice trainees engineering at locations spread across India. For more information, please visit the website as shown on screen. Candidates who have passed out prior 1/1/2020 are not eligible for apprenticeship training. Candidates who have got work experience of 1 year or more are not eligible to apply. Stipend offered at 25,000 per month. Age limit is 18 to 25 years. Selection procedure. Selection for engagement of apprentices would be based on percentage of marks in the qualifying examination and followed by personal interview. How to apply? Detailed advertisement can seen at the website as shown on screen. Interested eligible candidates must register themselves in the NATS portal of MHRD by using the link as shown on screen. Interested eligible candidates can apply by searching establishment name as Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited and then apply through NATS portal on or before 6th December 2021. Next is some last date of apprenticeship training already informed in previous videos. Graduate apprentice at Airport Authority of India Western Region Mumbai is last date is 30th November 2021. Graduate apprentice at DRDO Center for Artificial Intelligence and Robotics Bangalore last date is 30th November 2021. I will provide last video's link in my description. That's all for the details of this job opportunity video. For the next employment news video, please subscribe our channel Mech Engineering World. Thank you.